In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shorten video on Renderforest. If you've got a clip that runs a little long or you just want to tighten your edit for a cleaner story, this walkthrough will make the trimming process simple and precise. We'll start from the dashboard, hop into your project, and use the editor's built-in handles to shorten your footage, then wrap up with a quick preview and export. Begin by heading to the Renderforest homepage in your browser. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your work. From the dashboard, look for the section where your projects live. This is where all your saved videos are organized, so it's the quickest route to find what you want to edit. Open your Projects or My Projects area to see your videos. If you have a lot of items, filtering by type or searching by title can help you locate the right one faster. When you find the video you want to shorten, select it and choose the Edit option. This launches the video editor where you'll make your adjustments. Inside the editor, focus on the timeline at the bottom. This is the sequence of your scenes and clips in order. Click on the specific video clip you want to shorten. When it's selected, you'll see a highlight or blue outline around it, indicating that it's active and ready for trimming. If your timeline feels cramped, use the zoom controls to get a closer view for more accurate edits. With the clip selected, hover near the beginning or end of the highlighted area to reveal the blue handles. Click and drag a handle inward to shorten the clip. Dragging from the left trims the start and dragging from the right trims the end. Watch the time indicator as you move the handle to hit your target duration. For cleaner results, position the playhead where you want the new start or end to land, then drag the handle until it snaps to that point. If you go too far, simply drag the handle back out to restore a bit of the clip. When you're happy with the timing, use the preview feature to play back the updated section. Check that the pacing feels right, transitions are smooth, and any voiceover or music still aligns with your visuals. If everything looks good, proceed to export. Choose the export settings that fit your needs, confirm your choice, and let Renderforest process the video. Rendering may take a moment depending on length and quality. That's it, your video is now shortened and ready to share. Thanks for watching and happy editing.